When you're on the job, you have to bring it. Every minute counts. That's why Bosch engineered the world's first power-ready wireless charging system, so you can always keep your batteries charged. And whether you're on the go or working from the shop, Bosch wireless charging will streamline everything you do. Charging docks deliver power to lithium-ion batteries that never overcharge and practically never leave your tool. Our power-ready wireless technology creates an electromagnetic field to top off or max out your battery charge. And the system means you're always powered up and never ever thinking about dead batteries. This revolution in power works with Bosch's entire universe of 18-volt lithium-ion tools and chargers. And whether it's a benchtop frame or at the ready holster, the system keeps your crew charging ahead. It's the most advanced way to charge your tools, and it's exclusively from Bosch. Bosch Power Ready Wireless Charging, a revolution in power. Bosch, invented for life.
Hi, I'm Steve from Ideal Security. Whenever I use a ladder, I want to be sure that I have a firm and level base to support it. And this can be challenging when working on stairs. Sure, you could use scaffolding or articulating ladders, but they're expensive and complicated. And makeshift platforms of milk crates and 2x4s is just plain dangerous. That's why we developed the Ladder Aid, a safe and easy solution for using a ladder on stairs. The original Ladder Aid works with most Type 2 aluminum ladders. The Ladder Aid Pro can handle heavier loads and the bigger fiberglass and telescoping ladders. Let me show you how it works. First, set down the base of the Ladder Aid parallel to the lower stair. Next, insert the upright and secure it into place with the locking pin. If you're using the Ladder Aid Pro, you'll also need to secure the top half of the upright to the platform. Finally, slide the platform into place on the upper stair. Use the locking pin to secure it in place. As you can see, there are multiple mounting holes. These allow for super fine adjustments so that the Ladder Aid can be installed perfectly level on any stair. In 3 easy steps, we prepared a secure and stable base for our ladder. It's just that easy. And the best thing is, your extension ladder sits securely on top. Since you don't need to attach it directly to your ladder, you can quickly and easily use whichever ladder is right for the job. The Ladder Aid features a non-slip base. And both versions are compact, lightweight, and portable. So when you're done working, you can easily throw them into your truck or store them in your basement. The next time you need
speed switch trigger delivers higher speed with increased trigger pressure and lower speed with decreased trigger pressure. If the tool stops during use, release the trigger to reset and resume the operation. If the tool still does not work, the battery needs to be recharged. There are 2 blades included with your Job Plus multi-tool. The half-moon shaped blade is called a segment saw blade. You can use it for cutting in wood and drywall. The plunge cut blade can cut wood and plastic. Both blades use the same cutting motion. Be sure to mark the line of cut clearly. Hold the saw firmly in front of and away from you. Make sure the blade is clear of any foreign material. Depress the trigger to start the cutting action. Allow the blade to come to full speed, and then move the blade into the work. To cut, keep the teeth of the blade in the work surface, and move the back of the tool slowly in a constant sideways motion. Do not use too much pressure. Let the tool do the work. To sand, hold the sander in front of and away from you. Start the sander and let the motor build to maximum speed. Then gradually lower the sander onto the work with a slight forward movement. Move the sander slowly over the workpiece, using forward and backward or side-to-side strokes. Do not apply too much force. Let the tool do the work. Do not leave the sander in one place for too long, or your work surface will become uneven. Upon completion of the sanding operation, always remove the sander from the workpiece before turning it off.
Cleaning the tub is a back-breaking chore, and you can scrub your tile, but it always needs more. There has to be an easier way. From the makers of the best-selling Hurricane Spin Mop comes the all-new Hurricane Spin Scrubber, the new cordless and rechargeable power scrub brush that cleans faster and easier. Even these dirty old tiles are no match for Spin Scrubber, blasting right through the grime, sparkly and clean every time. It makes quick work of calcium, soap, and hard water stains, clear and clean in seconds. The secret is the rotating brush spinning at 300 RPM. The incredible torque can bust through any caked-on crud with ease. So forget harsh chemicals. Now restore the shine and luster to any surface in a flash.
Multi-purpose under-sink plumbing tool that allows plumbers to work faster, easier, and more efficiently on supply lines, fittings, and nuts under the sink. This lightweight tool is constructed of high-strength material with durable metal inserts to tackle many of your faucet removal and installation needs. The tool's extra-long handle easily reaches mounting nuts on faucets and sprayers. The shutoff valve attachment turns hard-to-reach angle stops without marring chrome. It also works on 7/8 and 1-inch hex nuts. The open slot allows easy access over existing supply lines. The opposite end has a strainer basket attachment that holds the drain unit in place while removing or installing the strainer nut. Got a fitting that won't budge? Flip over the strainer basket attachment to reveal a hole designed to fit your one-stop wrench. It provides extra leverage required to break tough nuts loose. Remove both inserts and the notched ends will engage 2, 4, 3, and 6 tab basin nuts.
Introducing Milwaukee Block and Billet Torpedo Levels. The Milwaukee Block Torpedo Level has the strongest magnets in the industry and delivers 360-degree accuracy. Sharp side file technology provides the best readability of any other vial. We understand you need product that is built to survive the job. Our high-impact acrylic is 10 times more durable than any other vial you'll find on a competitive level. Rare earth magnets provide stronger holding power, leaving you confident that this level won't move when you attach it to a metallic surface. A rotating 360-degree vial locks in at any angle, allowing you to set any needed pitch quickly and accurately. The Milwaukee Billet Torpedo Level also features the strongest magnets and has the easiest pitch set. A 2-inch pitch vial provides a maximized viewing area, allowing you to easily read slope from either direction. We are confident in our torpedo levels, and we back them with a limited lifetime guarantee. Milwaukee Block and Billet Torpedo Levels.
Ever had a home project stopped in its tracks because of frozen bolts, rusted nuts, real knuckle breakers with the edges stripped round, or damaged screw heads that you just can't turn? Well, now you can remove them all like a pro with Rocket Socket. Razor grip, rocket fast. Designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA with American steel. Rocket Socket uses the best proven damaged nut, bolt, and screw head removal technology to make short work of even the most stubborn fasteners. Rusted bolts, frozen nuts, painted bolts, stripped screw heads, flat or Phillips. The secret is Rocket Socket's razor grip technology that grips and doesn't let go. The more you turn, the tighter it grips. The 13-piece set features all your essential sockets. They fit 19 standard and metric sizes. And the set comes with a hex adapter for power tools and a knockout pin. So stop doing this and start doing this.